emotional bond you need. You know my heart beyond the words. See my truth without concern. Every hug feel like home. With you I never feel alone. Your voice calm my inner wars. Open wounds and hidden scars. We communicate through silence too. That's how deep this thing with you. No performance, no disguise. Only truth inside our hearts. So tied me and you. Different type connection, true, even when we fall apart. Still connected, heart to heart. So tight naturally. That's your energy on me. Ain't no distance breaking this. Built from something heaven sent. Some people search a whole lifetime for a love that's pure in design. Something deeper than attraction, built through trust and interaction. You inspire me creatively, help me think expansively. Every dream feel more alive when I got you by my side. You see greatness inside me, even when I can't believe. That support means everything. You the peace my soul brings. If the stars all disappear, I still feel your spirit near. That type love don't fade away, even through another day. So tight, me and you. Different type connection, true, even when we far apart. Still connected, heart to heart. So tight naturally. That's your energy on me. Ain't no distance breaking this. Built from something heaven sent. I pray our bond forever lasts. Learning wisdom from the past. Growing older, still in sync. Sharing every thought we think. Love like this can't be forced. It's a line through deeper source. That's why every time we ride, I can feel our souls tied.